Let's look at what it takes to replace a bicycle cassette. There are only a few tools to get this job done. First thing you'll need is a chain whip. Next, you'll need a lock ring tool to unscrew the lock ring. The tool I have requires me to attach a wrench. This tool does the job, but I plan to invest in an all-in-one wrench because they make removing and installing the lock ring much easier. I'm installing this cassette onto a new wheel, so I first need to apply some grease onto the cassette driver. Both the cassette driver and the cassette are keyed, so you must align them properly. At this point, it's pretty much just rinse and repeat. I line up all the rest of the cassette sections and start installing them one at a time. In between a few of the cassette sections go small plastic spacers, so make sure you install those as well. The last section can be more challenging to align, and it's crucial that you do this properly. If you misalign this final part, the lock ring will not properly screw into the driver, and you could strip its threads. Please take care with this. Again, I use the lock ring tool to tighten down the lock ring. This installation stage is where those other all-in-one wrenches really come in handy. You'll notice I use my hand to push down on the tool when wrenching on it. The lock ring's threads are somewhat fragile, and stripping them is kinda easy. Having one of those all-in-one tools would make this process a lot easier. Once the lock ring has been properly tightened up, your installation of the cassette is complete.